Hey everybody, today BB's making homemade tacos and we're not using any, well it's taco salad without the chips.
And then we got the keto wraps if we want to turn them into tacos.
I want to shut that off.
Someone's at the door.
Someone's at the doors with their teeth rattling. They're saying, help me. Alright.
So we're gonna have the cheese, refried beans,
Yeah, what I'm
the
going to do,
picante.
I want to put some refried beans in it to give it a little bit more protein. So the refried beans, which are basically pinto beans or navy beans, that's what BB is putting in.
Sour cream.
Sour cream, and then we have the three cheeses, what they call the Fiesta, blend cheese, tomatoes. So basically it's a normal taco. It's just I'm doing it a little bit different because of the beans to make it to where it's more protein. That's so
Right, basically without the chips.
yeah.
Because I feel the chips would have the sugar
Well, it's starch, so yes,
Yeah.
it would.
and the starch.
So we're trying our best to stay away from that at all as much as possible as we can.
And again, you know, we got the keto wraps if we wanted
Yeah.
to make them into.
That one didn't cut as well as I thought it would, but that's okay.
We want to make them into tacos.
Yeah, and then we have the little ones as well. So if you know you just want to grab a little one, or you can do that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sliced.
Yeah, I like refried beans.
I do too. Like I used to make homemade burritos, so because my kids used to love them.
Never tried this one, but this is new.
Okay. All right, so let me get this put in the compost bin.
Just 1 gram, 0 added sugar.
Oh,
1 gram, 0 added sugar. That's how we like it.
yeah. Gotta wash this pan out. Okay. Here we go. Oh no, just. We don't have an onion, do we?
No.
No. Okay. That's okay. It'd be a-okay.
We forgot the onion.
I did forget the onion. That'd be alright. I got dehydrated onions in there I can use.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So I'll just use that instead. I know that's not my go-to, but it'll work. Alright. I don't want you in there. Alrighty. Some of the, ooh, all of it's not thawed out. That's okay, it'll finish thawing out as it cooks.
Yep, and that's what you're gonna use.
Yeah, for my seasoning. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put this on low. I'm gonna put this like about 5. Get this thrown away, this thrown away. Alright guys, so as you can see, as I'm getting the meat cooking, I'm trying to get the vegetables chopped up. This way you're not waiting as long after the meat's cooked to do all the prepping. So this is how I'm doing it. So you do it however you see fit doing it. I've just always done it this way. This way, when it's done, you just slap it on the table and say, dig in. All right, just checking the meat, guys. I can hear it sizzling. Yeah, that little bit that was still a little cold in the middle is thawing out. Good. All right, just put the lid back on it, let it finish cooking, and then we'll add the seasoning and beans to it. All right, let's check it again, guys. It's almost completely cooked, and then I'll drain it and then add the seasoning and the beans and a little bit of water and onions. There we go. All right, meat is finally cooked. All right, I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna get ready to drain it. Okay. Yep, just gonna put all in there. Because that juice is from the beans and the seasoning. All right, so this is, I do it this way. You guys can cook the beans separate in a different pan if you want. That's all up to you. I like it this way. All right. All right, and then I'm gonna put my taco seasoning in here. All right. In here, I've got about 2/3 cup of water. That doesn't mean I'm gonna put it all in. All I want that water for is to smush the beans. To break down the beans. Not smush the beans. The beans are already smushed. All right. All right, I'm gonna just a little bit more. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back on the burner on 4. And I want this to cook slowly. And I mean slowly without burning the bottom. Because with the refried beans, you can burn it quick. So, right now I'm gonna put it down to maybe 3, in between 2 and 4. And I wanna give that about 10 minutes. And then this way, the seasoning is gonna absorb through the meat and the beans. And the beans is already seasoned, so it'll help it get there quicker. All right, ladies and gents.
We've never tried this one before, have we?
No. So we're gonna try that one.
That one's got 10 grams added sugar, 20%.
I'm gonna need that to rinse all that off anyway. Here goes nothing. Ah, it tastes like Publix. A little bit more tangy, or and now BB's gonna make the parfaits for the next 2 days. And this almost feels like Greek yogurt. It's thick.
Cool. That's probably why it has that little tanginess.
Yeah. that. Well, these are a booger and a half. Ooh. A lot of leaves in there. No runaway. And these are some big strawberries. Here's BB's strategies to making parfaits. There really is no wrong way of doing it, or rhyme or reason. You just put in what you like. Just make sure the fruit is good, that's all. That's why I always rinse it off, because you never know what you might get in there. I've already washed them and dried them off.
There you have it.
This is what you want it to be doing, guys. Bubbling. And that was about right on 10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes. All right, well, we can take this off. It smells really, really, really good. All right. You know what, I still didn't put onions in there. It'll be fine. All right, you ready? Good.
Si, señora.
Oh, you're gonna do your own sauce and what
No,
have you.
make it like you.
I don't put that on mine.
Then why did you get it?
Because you put it on yours.
No, I don't always put it on mine. I thought you did.
The only time I put that on mine is if I don't have fresh tomatoes. Because then that takes care of my tomato craving. That's some thick sour cream there, buddy. All right, there's yours.
No dollar dip with Daisy.
Yeah, a lot of dollar dip of Daisy.
All right, that's what mine looks like with the sauce.
Yep.
Even though I thought you liked the sauce.
Like I said, the only reason I eat the sauce is if I don't have fresh tomatoes. That's not my thing. Not for tacos.
Only for Taco Bell.
That's fire sauce. That's not picante. And that's good. Or you can do it this way. Mix it all up in your bowl. Stick it on a tortilla. and you have a taco burrito. All's good in the world.
All right, baby. That was simple to make.
Simple. Yes. Good. Absolutely. So is it your traditional taco salad? No. Is it good if you're watching your carbs? Yes. So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. Bon appetit. See ya.